This is so huge. What's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel Ayushi Aditi Card Zone.
So this is Aditi.
And this is Ayushi. Firstly, we are very thankful to you for all the love and support that you share upon us, right?
And we are almost 90k subscriber na?
Yeah.
And this feels so special.
So special, really. It's been an year since we started this channel, and we are really thankful that you have been so supportive throughout the journey. And yeah, also a giveaway is going on in our channel, so you can check the description box if you haven't participated already. I'm sure all the craft lovers will love that
Love,
giveaway.
and even everyone will love.
Yeah, even everyone will love.
Okay, so we asked you all on Instagram if you want to see a craft haul video, and we polled about it.
Yeah, and it was like 92% voted yes. So we decided to film a video for you all. And by the way, if you're not following us on Instagram, then the links are there in the description box and at your screen. The username is there. Do follow. We post Instagram stories. We ask you to vote. What are your choices? What are your preferences?
And we asked them to send us the recreation they create.
Yeah, like you guys create a video or you recreate something, then you can send it there. So without further ado, let's jump into the video
and start the craft haul.
Yeah, and please make sure that you subscribe our channel so that you stay connected with us, and also press on the notification bell which is just next to the subscribe button so that you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. So the parcel looks like this. This is so huge, and let us show them first properly. Okay, so this looks like this, and we are totally excited to unbox it with you guys.
So let's quickly unbox it.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is the very first product that we have got, and it's called a scoring board.
Now this tool will be a lifesaver for us. Like in almost every greeting card or gift we mark so many dents. This tool will serve the purpose of marking those dents very easily. Like until now we used to draw the line first and then fold it using a ruler. But now we don't need to mark any line. We can like directly put the sheet on this scoring board and then score the card. This will definitely add more professionalism to the cards and gifts. Now the size of this scoring board is around 30 cm by 30 cm, and we are really excited to use this in our further videos for you guys.
Okay, that was the first parcel that we have got. It just contained a scoring board. Now the second one is a very weighted one. Let's see what we have got in the second one. So the first thing is this.
This is a non-stick craft mat. It is a really thick mat. This has to be kept as a base when we are creating DIYs or like we are normally painting or doodling. It can easily wipe off glues and paints. Size of this mat is 15 inches by 18 inches. Now comes the decorative things. These are the tassels. So cute. Showing you each and every item one by one. These items are basically to be used in scrapbook making or album making. They can also be used in greeting cards to like enhance the look of the greeting card. Also we can create some awesome DIY jewelries using these stuffs. We will be showing you guys these items on a black base also so that you can have a clearer view of all of them, and we will be frequently using these items too in our further videos so you guys can see how creative we can be with these items. Let us know in the comment section below which item you found the cutest and which item you are looking forward to buy. Also let us know which country and city you guys belong to and what special and unique craft supplies are available there. By the way, if you are from a city where these crafts that are shown in the video are not available, you can place your order from Crafters Corner website. Yes, the name of the website is Crafters Corner. The link is mentioned in the description box below. This website has got really amazing and good quality stuffs. They have got almost A to Z things that a craft doer would need for crafting. And at the end of the video, we'll show you the website and what all are present in that site so that you can have a look and decide what to order from them.
So this is the heaviest thing that we have received in the parcel.
What is inside it?
Yeah, I just can't hold the excitement, Aditi. Let's quickly unbox it.
The very first item that you see here is a mixed media stencil. Next up we have some decorative sheets, 240 GSM. Each packet contains 2 A4 sheets. Now we have some designer sheets of 12 inches by 12 inches. That's a quite big size. There are total 12 designer sheets and 2 sheets of each design. 3 such designer sheets packet are sent to us. Let us have a clear look of the designs one by one. Do we need to exaggerate its beauty? I mean, it is looking so pretty and the quality is just to die for. Just imagine yourself making scrapbooks out of these sheets. The creativity level would be entirely different and it would beat the market available scrapbooks for sure. What say, guys? The colors are so vibrant and beautiful. Like talking specifically about this packet, this contains the strips and polka dots sheet. Guys, we highly recommend you to check them in Crafters Corner website. This packet contains floral blue print. Who doesn't love blue color? These sheets can be used beautifully for making farewell, sorry and get well soon cards and albums. So now have a clearer view of these decoratives one by one.
We really hope that you guys liked the haul, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit that like button which is just below the video. Also, we have given the products link in the description box below so you guys can check it for yourself in case you are interested to buy. The company is very good and we will be using these products in our further videos, so you will get the mini reviews of each and every product. And if you want any particular products review like a scoring board, you want a full proper review, then do let us know in the comment section down below. So what else?
I think we are done.
Yeah. So guys,
So bye.
until next time. Bye bye.